Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily fold your Honda Jazz back seats. First, make sure your front seats are pushed as far forward as possible to give you ample room. Next, clear any objects from the rear seats in the footwell area. This prevents anything from getting caught or damaged during the folding process. Now, locate the release levers or straps, usually found at the front or sides of the seat base. These are crucial for the initial step. Once you've located the release mechanism, pull the lever or strap firmly to unlatch the rear seat base. You'll feel it disengage with a slight click. Now, lift the entire seat base upwards and then fold it back towards the front seats. It should rest securely against the back of the front seats, creating a flat area. Double-check that it's stable and won't fall back down during the next steps. With the seat bases folded up, it's time to tackle the seat backs. Look for the release handles, typically located on the top outer edges of the rear seat backs. Pull these handles to unlock the seat backs. You might hear a distinct click as they disengage. Now, gently push the seat backs downwards. They should fold smoothly into the space where the seat bases previously were, creating a completely flat load floor. Finally, take a moment to ensure all seat sections are fully flat and securely locked into their folded position. This creates a truly versatile and spacious cargo area in your Honda Jazz. Check for any gaps or obstructions that might prevent you from loading items safely and efficiently. This simple process significantly increases your vehicle's carrying capacity. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.